Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a gorgeous acrylic nail using this glitter, which is fine holographic pink, and it's absolutely stunning, perfect for this weather. So let's get straight into it. As you guys know, I'm focusing on doing some short nails recently, so you guys can get an idea of how my products look and work also with a short nail design. So I've come in with Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic for the base. This is just going to also allow our product to adhere to the nail and release from the brush really easily. I've picked up my loose glitter with a bead of clear acrylic, and now I'm just allowing that product to self-level for a second, and then I can start working the tip of my brush, moving that product up to the cuticle as far as I possibly can without touching the skin or the side walls. We don't want to flood those areas or come into contact with the skin. It's very important to work safely. The brush that I'm using is the size 14 Galaxy Aqua brush. I do apologise, I just got an email through. But yeah, the brush is a size 14 Galaxy Aqua and it's absolutely gorgeous to work with. I'm absolutely loving it. So now I've finished applying the glitter and it has dried. I'm coming in with the Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic, a nice medium to large bead that's going to be able to cover the entire nail. I'm just going to allow that product to level. I do see a little fluffy hair in there, but I'm just going to, well, I don't know if I saw it whilst filming, but there's nothing I can do about it now, so it is what it is. Luckily you can't quite see it when the nail is finished, so it's not a problem. But yeah, with the clear acrylic, I'm just encapsulating the nail, building the strength and the structure. And yeah, after that, we're going to file and buff the nail and add the top coat. So I went ahead and used the 180 grit files to file and buff the nail and a white buffing block. Next I'm applying my super gloss and then I'm going to cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds, and that's the final look. Glitter nails are perfect to pair with any design that you are doing. You can do them on all 10 fingers or just pick out a couple of feature nails. I really love working with glitter, and it's just the perfect addition to any set to make it sparkle and glisten and literally just make you feel super happy inside, because who doesn't love glitter, like seriously. Anyway, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you've really enjoyed this and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.